Welcome, welcome all. My name is Kunal Nema and I'm an intern at ubAdvocate. My topic for today is copyright infringement in India. What is copyright? Copyright is an intellectual property right that is automatically granted to the author or creator of an original work, granting them the exclusive right to reproduce and distribute that work. There are n number of works which are protected under copyrights. For example, literary works, dramatic works, musical works, artistic works, cinematic works, and sound recording. Copyright safeguards two rights. One, economic right. These allow the owner to profit financially from other users of their works. Moral rights allow the original works owner to take specific steps in order to preserve and safeguard their work. What is the term of copyright? The copyright protection is granted to the author for a limited period, that is, life of author plus additional 60 years. And now, why is copyright important? It grants the owner of the original work exclusive right to reproduce, duplicate, transcribe, and translate the work. The owner has the ability to prevent their original work from being misused and to pursue legal action if infringement occurs. The proprietor is the only one who can profit financially from the work, and the owners enjoy the advantage and protection of their creative work, which encourages society to be more creative. And now, what is this copyright infringement? Owners create new material and obtain copyright protection to ensure that their efforts are profitable. Owners have sole authority to sell or lease their work to a third party for use. But if someone replicates or reproduces the copyright holder's work without their permission, this can be considered as copyright infringement, for which the owner can pursue legal action against the infringer. Now, there are some exceptions under Section 52 of the Copyright Act of 1957. They are personal or private use. If anybody uses the copyright for personal and private use, it comes under the exception, including research, criticism, or review of that work. What are the remedies against copyright infringement? There are two remedies, one of which is a civil remedy, where copyright in any work which is infringed upon, the owner of the copyright is entitled to all such remedies by way of injunction, damages, accounting, according to Section 55 of the Copyright Act 1957. There's also a criminal remedy. The copyright holder can bring criminal proceedings against the infringer under Section 63 of the Copyright Act, which provides for at least 6 months of imprisonment, which can be extended to 3 years, and a fine of 50,000, which can be extended to rupees 2 lakhs. If the defendant, let's just say, if the defendant proves that he was unaware and had no reasonable grounds to believe that copyright existed in the work at the time of the infringement, the plaintiff will not be entitled to any remedy for the whole part or for the profit made by the defendant from the sale of infringing copies, as the court may deem reasonable in these circumstances. Now, police also has a power to seize the infringing copies. Section 63 of the Indian Copyright Act states that any police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector may seize the copies without a warrant to produce before a magistrate if he is satisfied that an offense under Section 63 has occurred in relation to infringement of copyright. It is very important to protect the copyright, as the main aim, the main goal of copyright is to preserve the rights of the original work owners, while also rewarding them financially for their innovation and hard work. Although it's not required to register one's work, it is strongly advised to do so as one's idea begins to take shape in writing, as this will provide strong evidence to show to a court in the event of infringement. And plagiarism should be avoided at all costs. That's all. Thank you so much.